If you want to start a video recording on your Canon EOS R series, mirrorless or DSLR camera, such as the R7 or the R8, then first you'll need to switch to video recording mode. And there should be a dedicated video mode toggle wheel. It will be at the left or the right depending on your model. Just look for the video recording icon and then rotate the dial to switch to it. And now to start recording your first video, you can either tap on the red recording button on the touchscreen, or you can also press the dedicated recording button and it will start recording a video. To stop recording, you'll need to press the recording button once again. Now to view the video, you'll need to press on this playback button. Now you can start playing it back. And that's how simply you can start recording a video on your Canon camera. If you found this useful, you can stay with us by dropping a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.